Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel iTech Analytics Solutions. This is the complete Power BI DAX Basic to Advanced series. This is our 37th video of this series and we will be learning about some filter functions in this video. So first let's understand what these filter functions are. The filter functions are actually used for filtering the values. Say, I can filter and value functions in DAX are some of the most complex and powerful functions, and it differ greatly from the Excel functions. Say, we have the lookup functions work by using tables and relationships like a database, and also the filtering functions let you manipulate data context to create dynamic calculations. So in this video, we'll be learning about uh, basic of the calculate and calculate table. So in more advanced, I'll be teaching you in the next videos because these functions, the filter functions are slightly confusing. So what we'll do is we'll just try to learn about simple way of using this calculate and calculate table, and then in more advanced way I'll be teaching you in the coming videos. So let's understand what this calculate and calculate table are before we go into the practical exercises. So we'll try to understand about calculate and calculate table. So calculate functions evaluate an expression in a modified filter context and it returns a single value. Say for example, we can use that in card table or in metric visualizations, wherein the calculated table is actually it is used to evaluate a table expression in a modified filter context, and this returns the entire table, okay, with a filtered data set, and it is used in new table creation or relationship. Now when you come to this function, so here we have two functions. I told you this will be in a very basic way. I also have given the links here. You can go to these links. You just click on this link. This will take you to the Microsoft website, and there you'll have the syntax, examples, and also the exercise which will help you in learning more on these two functions. Now let's go to Power BI and we'll see how these calculate and the calculate table functions actually work. Right, so first what we'll do is we'll see how this calculate works. I'm just clicking on this measure. So usually calculate is used in measures. I'm clicking on this measure and then I'll say total sales East. So I want the total sales only in East. So how will I use this? Say calculate and then it will ask for the expression. Let's say I'll use sum of sales, comma, it will ask for the filter. Let's say region equals, I'll use East. Close the bracket. You can see that I'm saying calculate sum of sales and I'm filtering the region East. When I press enter, a measure is created. As I mentioned in the slide, say this can be used, it will give me a single value, wherein I'll go here in the canvas. Let me just delete these visualizations and then we'll take a new visualization. Let me just take this. I have a card which will actually give me the summarized value. So I'm just selecting here and then I will take the total sales. First let's take the total sales. You can see it is 2.3 million. Let me copy this, I'll paste it and you can see I will take the one what I've just created, the calculate. I'll delete this. You can see total sales East. Let me just select this. You can see we'll get the filtered value which is only for East. So likewise we can get the filtered value by using this calculate function. Next, suppose we go to this ship mode table. Okay, so I want to get a total here with the filtered values. Let me just click on this new column. You can see that I'm getting, let me take the total sales. So here let's say I want total sales. Total sales for all these ship IDs equals, I'm using this sum x and then we'll use related table, which we have used the same example in our previous videos as well. And let's say the table data, because I need the column sales, comma, then I need to add the value, say sum of sales. Close the bracket. I'll just say enter. Now let's see what the result we are getting. We are getting the results here. Let's take only sum and see. Enter. Okay, see here, I'm just getting the total of each ship IDs. Just take sum x, and here I've used related table. Now what we'll do is we'll take another column and we'll see how we can use the calculated table instead of this related table. Now what I'll do is I'll take a calculated table, say total sales only for East. Now I'll use this sum x, but this time instead of related table I'll use calculated table. It will ask for the table. Let's say I want to filter East, so I will take location, comma, region equals East. So this is my filter, comma. Now I need to have the expression. So this is my table. Actually, you can see that I have this table. So now what I'll do, I'll go here and say sum x, and I'll take the sales value from the data table, comma, and say related table, because we have to relate this related table data, comma, sales. Close bracket. One more bracket. I think we should close. Say enter. You can see the total what I'm getting here is based on the filtered value, that is East. You can see the difference between these two values. So this value what I'm getting here is based on the filtered values, that is it is giving me only total for East region. So people, this is just a simple example. We'll be working on more examples with this calculate and calculate table in the coming sessions. Right. So this is about the filter functions only on calculate and calculate table. Alright. So people, if anybody is actually looking for data analytics and data science courses, and if you think that you want to make some better career in this data analytics and data science, please call us and email us on the number mentioned on screen. And also you can visit www.itscienc.in. You get lot many courses which are completely freely available. You can enroll and you can learn data analytics and data science. Right, and if you're still not following us, please do follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. All the links have been given in the description box. So please use the links and do follow us. And if you like this video, give a like and a thumbs up. And also please don't forget to give your suggestions and comments in the comment box. And also please share this video so that many of them who are actually looking for the DAX, understanding of the DAX and mastering of the DAX, this series will really help them. So please do share this video for those who actually are in need. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video.